agus fád go dtí na seansaí mas bhaid seansa ghlacu ghlaciad ar na seanslaí is mise Hugh McGill cheada agus níl aon rud thugam. Really, tá just, tá síl chu suaineach, níl aon rud crackáilte tá má dhéanú ná níl aon rud mór ag charlú sa dón faoi lethir. It's just been pretty chill agus not má mágad má fucking light adventure tá má an seo mar is gra. Lemuid cardide, lemuid có leaciad mar an seo ar dúspáir le aine aine go dtímar tú.
Go maiid se das bharráis ó sire meantearmach anada a ghlachmuid. Tá muid an leisciúil, tá brnir fao sin.
Tá scaidlugin ar nós múnseirí. That's the sin just being na méid séar ní seo that just ní bhí so good faoi.
Whoa. No múntar hééis an seo.
I never said and rud faoin na múnseirí, but just ra go mín bíint de hiúil a galvantal agus a caiint thing mín a galvantal go minic tá seo fásta le James ó Flaharta James Timmer tú.
Yeah, all right. When you sure I'd say, tá sé just hééis stagmór de seachtainna so do was dagé gannéisian is go mé daoine fá pósta ag fógan cean ar band on job a selfish release was going put us through the heavy weekend release dead and sour yeah just the weekends away Sean is just east like a stag is really agus yeah the cúrsaí trom feel hard but yeah we're going through it
Cúrsaí sláinte agus cúrsaí airgeadais.
Oh yeah
Sinna rud tána rudí seo ag tarlú ag ams na fihidaí ghfuil muidir lig ag géirí muilú síos scitbog agus nachhfuil an funiu céine ógan le bheith go má, but cai tú bheith ré le golar stags agus hens rud atá antrum ar an gcorp deir seach na umlan a caiú i genú God knows what a galvantal mar dúir tú. So sé an Jackar.
Ní Roma ar stag go fáil. Níor
ní Roma seir cóisiir na Garcrio.
Billy no mates.
Okay. All right. Okay. 1 second. Ní ro just near Hannick Sus go fáil just much cardide ní romid pasta go fáil.
Well, sé okay, bhí tú teachtaigh mo cóisiir na Garcrio na mé.
Absolutely. Hughina. Listen, I have to show up in die again, I gotta be undercover. Vein imniach gan a bheith on. It would just be I'd have to make an appearance die again.
Gan was a bheith pally nish like Killian, because basically Killian could have been going a stag and everything.
Yes, Yoishev Curru, kinse.
Agus man bhhaim, then that there's been deep. Oh my god, that yeah, exactly. That'd be real pain. Look, bhí bear taistil again dunne. Nis ní bhím sig taistil go minic. Ní leon taistil de tágam sa le tamlas. It's been pretty chill.
I don't know. Could you let's go fear Hugh?
Oh, knock her Kestar mania, please. No, not
knock her. That's a traipsal harter in Europe, Jenny.
Traipsal is the word. Traipsal is absolutely in focal.
Booshal heart. Sorry, more like it.
A wootal harter on that. No, what do you call it? Yeah, I was just on a small little trip. Like we should on Jacker to Elga Prague, and so I just took the most direct route of the Erfile to my whole broke. It's not even like not even grammar, like just
the cartage like the schedule her in Arja or the Insta story just go vecchidini keiko chaotic is a visha ahanur a dos go my phone fi Hugh ijir jeffrul agus dort me leis ra mar tantar sin gento go an interrail vi me ralish nachro gluramaga in ahanach agus I think Carter La Valley treat V2 ragro and taistil igiri on Dolly like na trains na go hart it made an warranty taistil.
You're even few and taistil like I'm obviously being taistil go halt, but just I admit you're not ain't taige whatsoever in the STV model. Like literally near them ain Iraq la fólum fin na hetni around ma or whatever. It was literally just ní Roma sa Caharshaw River Rahim Agujin Caharshaw nish. As in literally Landalma Florence agus female a Gurker, and Cahar gallant Shaw, like absolutely L and and that's one you and kind of the Chiley is Sevra agus is mo Sedone Rio, the Medicis, Jeeker son Leonardo da Vinci, Jeeker son Michelangelo, Jeeker son, the really old Shaw, Michel Landland being like
the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, well?
yes, exactly. And yeah, I mean, bhín pizza acu, so bhí si anna chaú le eile. Ach land amán agus you like, geez, I wonder who take gur féad le a dhéanún seo, as if nach bhfuil like an gallery is caiú sa dón an ribh a
An
bhfuil.
Duomo,
I,
Ulwer,
I had
yeah.
no idea. Yeah, you're clue. I
Bertha Venus,
yeah.
Statue David. Like Kermish Rai Rudhig Hugh, because he'll make like, oh, just cry me right na multi ta ogum. But chance knock my amage, the anu like,
Mm,
because Tani Richin Bader plan all again. So dirt may like, oh, Jesus, like in Piazza de Michelangelo's Archer, Lena Grania. And he was
mhm.
like, yeah, Aaron Lista, I'll put it on the lista. And then dirt may lesh go like an gelateria, Shinna, in
Yeah.
Florence, Rin Shin come out. And I was like, wait, will one more Syracuse? Not will Einrad planete Ní me sú go bheith amige fa chun na multi gur me.
Honest to God, and there rud a cartu hogum was and rud the there ruddy a when if you plan out to hogum, and I wouldn't even say gross plan out to just firm on text asset. It's like, oh well, to my like, if you want me to show, like sure lump. Shalom, do. None your aim plan gentlegum. Agus vi definitely ik punch awan fi ma sweeney lum fein Kane for an you're in the masha as just like kid the Jay Wilma a yanu like the Covenigum neuro ma vi ma Egan station bus brag ag le dulga Munich. Agus Munich was like in cad etch nach ro einklugum fi. Like visagum like um go like pizza crack in Budapest. Go mail man an amach le bled in Ljubljana, grow an opera ogum an cheadín Vienna, and then a cliche Aaron in Prague. Less said about it, the better. But then Munich neuro ein klugum car vi mai ennu like agus neuro klugum foin car or Harby like literally near na my ein tiger agus just come go mixi or an igen station in a yay book on nís mó am le dollar or sira nís fudge as in like sin tenú tourist on the dal agus mu just a sin swinu I've gone too far here. This is an Shaw and over I think go an over good go came fine here
Garden Green.
literally yeah literally Michigan Sweeney Lumfane
But
Shaw
that
and
is
then
a
punching the rug.
basically it's type B, isn't it? Like completely.
Yeah,
Go hell
I
is
could,
common yeah.
I could never.
What bread are in road like bread like the road garoma egg dul like the company like near Whimage Philadelphia like yeah it was like planned to the inch of Ken but now in fairness we shouldn't because we might it'll have
Yeah.
WrestleMania and we saw like show be like Nart show and stuff on so it was like okay no like how much Shaw yanu anish or else ni we much kaji and rod Shaw is it's fair to a agree agus a Jeremy like ag taistil like bhím an agree I'm like no tá chun bheith ag an airport yeah we're river agus tá chun bheith ní cailim trains na planes na could be rud de gra unless go like button all word genta but no but then Ern Series shot it was very much type B like just
Yeah.
free birds
I
just
couldn't.
yeah
Like
yeah
nar Yormse gohfuil Google Doc agum ó ma thras interrail a bhrisin síos uh, brúoige bílan
mhm.
priceaní dahan rud rudí le genuine ach an cathair um, méid ama a ghlachan sé taistil idir catharcha like tá mé có type A as a sprálum an planál sin like bhín ceart go just iarm thuras a flannel dit as dhéanana like is sprálum an stuff sin.
They ha an white more travel agent they ha an Hawaii more a
I
genuine positive
know. Sílam in is sí leile bhí mé imo like agrahor ag agrú like either imachtaí nó yeah cuasaí taistil nó ru ag mar sin just I love it. Like it's like buzz dúsa.
Kaima and Google Doc Hermish Hella a her hug.
Bhfuil ceam fiú agad.
That can know and literally another one in Yarn shot is Animan Kahar and Doyle ma hun dul higa agus an actual my fanat agus nil ein rodalon. And it's literally just as a reminder go well and stuff actually book ogum. That's Shinnin Rother Wen a tech her in Google Doc. It's literally just like Tashtel Buska Kabiet again am shaw. Fanart san seo agus níl ein rud eile chu leis like literally sin an méid bhhain a tar an Google Doc
Bhíon cathair a bearlaat.
ó ceis mai Well, I will say, I guess better this is because of the type B in me faster. Sean, ní hé Sean Carr's Farlam, but near Landema, agus near man Budapest for like quick second, I did think Fimo Hunel mugged like immediately. So that immediately curts in like Bloss, Excel.
Why?
Hiúil mar síos ealaigh an le ealaigh pub seo, bhí pub ceáil like Irish and leis an Ástan, and immediately hannig like quick lads out of nowhere, whatever, arm and Dirge kind of went after Ruddig and being like, being like, oh, we'll do more. I think there's like Gary like a toss new arms and then vote Lashka like may a wuggal. So I just like scooted an acklash whatever. I'm like, okay,
Oh
simple.
my
All right.
God.
How much
And now
of
he
it
two ag na rune bars. Louis made na Jewish rune bars last
yeah.
Budapest.
So
It's
bhí
class.
má fánar sa Jewish Quarter agus bhí really
Okay.
cool agus bhí má ag an cin cailio le chumne go cin
Mm-hmm.
tarnish
Yeah, Jim
and
Dermot said really cool.
all war.
Yeah.
Massive like
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
Genie Mac just near stad leis agus bhí sear nós like jai pub in Etchawan
Yes.
like
Mulmore bars eigsla agus jochany eigsla gahan down.
I got him cin agus bhí stíalní difriúil like na seamraí
Yeah.
difriúil agus bhí like when was there agus bhí like kind of like seamra sí all war on agus bhí lad just ag shaint piano like electronic or whatever like leis
Yeah.
féin
Because le house party more.
really cost the house party more because that when she's there because be like blues band it shined like he's there Jirok and EA so so no one man salt is Budapest one my salt the Ljubljana jazz
On pretty.
on pretty
Yeah.
Costlin Fane the Vienna jazz the Prague into that being going to though like Harva fi mission the Honey Prague like that's still like such a mad like Russian more fade rocked in the heel Groma and answer in the Honey Prague like quick blian hun or shape blian hun and so we are really similar to Valharter Unique Neuroclug and Kerziana but then damn really cool and I was like shut jazz la Jer shopping I think there
Yeah.
are
Ní rahin a rash go Munich.
yeah
Ní dólam.
Well,
Darrow-
go le Oktoberfest.
well the high Oktoberfest see Sean
Yeah.
Rud Foster
Yeah.
is that it's like they're to do task na actually Shaw Teven Wheat on Gra agus lat vein Foster like in Cad that jello hoima na Venice agus when my Soltus Venice but in Tamer father Vima on I was like this is definitely actually led the partner like cave like
Oh.
like really Erin Shaw the Lanun you know
Rish, Billy no mates.
Billy no mates you know look Bedger Mahane agus Bedger Mahane agus the partner Bedger very much and sin Mahane agus Emer Bedger leg
Oh.
yeah
Oh, did we just name drop the
Hashtag-
caterer?
hashtag hard launch
That was a hard lunch.
hashtag hard launch but no be my Swedish in the Tamer Favi Mall because like there's ain't pretty more car obviously they're not like the shower in the canals agus like in gondola so like in road like fin gondola is that like it's come KV dingy talat or K K Coada it's knock €1 the Dolomar gondola la high like Carquay moment or whatever like that which is like the road they go to a Lanun it's Carquay euro and then whatever like the cost like a lot but still it's it's Tahie that road to the unlike group quick euro jag and then or whatever try euro and then but like each knock €1 lat fine just to be having a solo chat leis an gondola man just Nero shall really earn listed the Ruddy Magarianu.
That's an on there.
Yeah. But I think Jerhing and Atch is Farnham na Florence, Sheelam.
Yeah, tá sé do crete. San bia on why.
Oh.
Connie made the char. Connie made the carbonara. We said ganta.
No, see and scam is mo a test na dal right is prima piatti agus secondi piatti. Because the day ending in nach one is if we prima piatti agus secondi piatti. What's it going to be prima piatti?
No.
Like that? So
like first place and second place. No?
yeah, but it's head junior agus darn the junior, right? So he got the antipasti Algo Square, which is like the mini starter, and then he got the starter Alan Shin, or the entrees and Shin antipasti agus and Shin prima piatti secondi piatti. It's basically just you can do the high yeah jinger is in road to be naku. So like Bhí me like, oh
Ní
yeah, yeah.
gadit sin orú, can I just say níor orú
Anya,
me sin riú da.
Anya,
Níl dinner rí go breúirt.
bhí me Gary a bheith in Honey ar nós na hedalí agus mééis na dal. Agus nuair ma in Fiorentina, nuair bhí ma in Florence, hí
Firenze.
Frenze go
Sin
leis.
dá sé.
Agus nuair bhí mí an forma carbonara agus forma steak and ó
Lán bí.
aine.
Le carbonár le sé bím lán.
Bhí se ar nós. Honestly, ahan le san dal was man bhí food. Like ahan le san dal. Was mission just like trade na Bailey all war seo a bhí ma and like bhí siad cost like I'm not even con like I'm not gonna sugarcoat it like bhí se ítá cost a bhéin na choní mar sin agus yeah bhí ma whole line bhí se like nasty like really
Yeah, there's lán le steak. Ní
yeah
rud a bhí ní san a chorális. Meat sweats.
goharia agus tú ag sí láat féin like it ag them ag tablet agus like firma like side of chips fast like just explain like the rud ag aroma because you know some grocery call it whole motion you know agus the just explain you like and vima and shit bhí my gihan jingar agus bhí like chilly heart arm because mission dunne when you bhí leis féin like Sibyl and whatever agus literally see I gihan steak shot go Gary A. Allen Father's Jack.
Man versus food.
Honestly, honest to God.
Do you care to go to YouTube video, Ianu?
Oh, stad. And then
Consuming 10,000 calories in one sitting.
Fisha. But here's the yeah dan basically they're into do between and corruption lahai and Lena Granny because Hugh much wasn't corrupt. I was like Niama, I was like Kaima like fall radish in the calorie shop.
Yeah, got to rud ag gine le digestion gine ar a méid diet said. Yeah.
Yeah, it's, you know. Agus when myself is in Rove, although Harla rud against Rove, that I'm like nar ghearmé a dingiala, they're like Shaw a like tromley gadar like Shaw do se. The ma when my strategy and that pizza shot at the Giernacula Vatican. So technically vi ma in like
Yeah.
cheer yeg whatever or exactly cheer vi must see him. But never must the an etch packet because obviously my seal on fine. Agus chuir mé innaci leis an muthir agus níon seo as America as like bhí siad an Americanach agus ghlach your man like all amsa or like kin rudí bhír ma tabla because bhí sé gaiir horta like tabla ní smó. I was like, oh, shouldn't be gas, whatever. I think you're dark mar an pair being like, oh, shouldn't get big ground or whatever. And they're like, oh, say let our good kin do such. And literally, and that's when came out your other shot. Chuir an de hebla le cheile agus do stúirte make friends agus sin Jimmy seo.
Leis an Americaní?
Yes, na Americaní. San bhí arm just córa a bheith agam leis an like an muthir agus níon seo.
No fear, Hugh. I think a jig lots Lord le dinner.
Oh no, Nero ain't in the arms of a cantla, but it was more of just the like, you know, the she had some egg C like and from on scale the neen or like study abroad whatever because again my her Gajina dal Iaka whatever. And obviously this is just scary Amakai like Kella and suddenly you know Paddy no mates literally courage jag and tabla agus he just to giche, you know, pizza omlan agus bruschetta omlan leis féin whatever. Just being like, yeah, no, Brandon got hard there in Europe. We saw.
Cód dolly had nor that tú Lord le strancher come on, but it's give kind of these spacey agus nata.
That they cannot really leaning into like the Huey no mates like Rud totally like you know.
But now some cane flag and you're in the now some cane flag Gersham much like Ella. Like now some
do you want ní any to Rio Jarmer there in Taistil ish bit gur sin rud bhí geiste.
Well ní war ma anim saku so ní go gum géis. Ní war ma ein pudgy or ein pudgy chagwell but visha whole gas like just whole grammar more tourist like so yeah no so yeah no ve to my Gary Sweeney and Waltanye Dini like le tourist machine I will Jerry Ruther Wayne Bustney Harike total scam absolute scam
Ní
choláú or Harvey. Now I will say we should unlocked the arm fine because hí tartarm sa bhfuir mar an bus agus cheanní má budealisce ag in station bus agus den dulma and it turns out gross sparkling water and it's like greisce.
Yes, tá glas flash san Europe agus gurm sparkling. Gar san idal sílam.
Agus dearann go bhfuil se original.
Yeah,
It
which
says,
is Presente actually.
Yeah. It's like original shin sparkling agus natural shin isce. But sure, or like raisce. But sure is natural, not original, because Neil Road is deal. So just ugh.
Ugh.
But also,
no. Like,
What?
Wait,
But you're not
there's
even
no
over
tartar
it.
at all.
It's just bubbles like.
Well, my gall but near chudgy shall leis an tart. Jen Neil sparkling water like ní chudgy.
But could you let the corp? Could you?
Oh no.
You're all friggin' noch an tarted. The sparkling water gun the gas in Africa dócha da, ha?
Níl rumba sin Africa bhí mar bus idir an Munich agus Vienna.
Lavish holiday. Ní ra sé in Africa.
Oh, bhín isce sparkling. Oh, ní roman. Ní roman. No, dulma but bhí mar just like, no, this ní moilm. I'm not enjoying this.
Ní maim seo.
Ní moilm seo. But then you're man on chalú, because then bhí mar just like brúcht deer and bus and damar bhá. And ban bar to be see an aculum.
I love the fact go to it could have been on a sparkling water le uva brucht in the most shachas on steak carbonara agus choleru bio in it too.
Pizza agus bruschetta like
no chief man
no couldn't be that.
Chief man mage and beer. Oh my god, Visha just literally
disgusting.
I had on like dar archer ain't the arm agus Maggie and stuff we make it like it would just be like
like sound like more like like na scale TV ogun mar fáiste that like eating a feast of pheasant pies.
Oh yeah, just like a huge leg that car whatever like you know. Thing get occur like grapes of steam of agus
goblets.
Oh yeah, no, let me tell you. Me and a goblet, Visha really Visha dantra. But no, near and not near I'm go forward. Bring my like contest cheese or kvad kilometer or hashtag ma. I think it was like small like carvey a kilometer or
kvad law.
Jaitner, I think.
That's nuts.
Yeah. Like
so rinne misha shin e trocala.
Oh my god, yeah.
Rinne mission Europa le trocala agus sin an dóir ceart a goine you know.
Jesus Christ. But the sha ring so rinne an contest sin but near an contest an costas go fáil agus níama
ná Jenna.
No, I don't know what my Gary.
No, ná Jenna. Just le gart na Harley se.
Near Harley Caird the Harley.
Gadira.
Yeah, clue agam. But Visha simul. Walling ag dul hic na carrusin. Beidir walling anu an levéil sin. Beidir. Ach solo travel to jazz. Malhan
Oh.
Well, ace got the lads sin ará.
That is literally in Kedro that
She really dackered the straight white male anya no lady show.
Male-geoir.
Formative Male-geoir.
I hate the fact when I just maintained in a single at a pod in the cities like.
I know. Oh my god, yeah, Harley Vision or Dewsbar nach ro.
Yeah, because that full circle that anger consistently Tokyo. The mission doesn't fucking forever alone fucking Jane all the time.
You two forever alone. Who nuggets?
Yeah, exactly. Agus nach go just go might la calling car na la partner na
we're complete current emissions you like Kayla. So 100 dogged to tell you all
yeah, exactly. Jenna Majinga ahan la rod. Your favorite again.
Rod.
Achen.
Really, ta Hugh ag umper and Theo and sin mialgol she in a honig that you know.
Yeah.
Ta she able to glure her file.
Yeah, exactly. Ain rod, James. Ain rod. I'll shave. Listen, Ain rod. That's just.
Moving on. Get that as keep a fuck dance way.
So James, James Vitirash or Tally get your shout for you.
Oh my God, my chin.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Sorry. What do you call it, James? Did you do a half marathon?
Yes, Laura Lynn for sure, James.
Please. Annie Shaw
Please, bugger eye. Please, Laura
and
Lynn for sure.
Annie Shaw and
Yeah.
segue or what at the clock.
Tá, yeah. Tá mar trainer le cecho scoopí sam an riciocht webse. Sinna rud tá mar
My
trainer.
and far.
Yeah, yeah.
My and
Why?
Beis na géisioach le as lei seo agus sin fan amach cin fá.
yeah. Um so so then plan tugad na in Dublin City half marathon.
Yes. Yeah, yeah. Sin sé rud simúlta go leid mohéal le písbag an anyways. So just trainer lei sin Dublin City half marathon siú lá go mí bealtainna.
Mhm.
Agus yeah, just sú go mór leis. Bailú aige freisin é Cancer Care West. So yeah, should be good. Should be good. Yeah,
Bhí
cosúla ní anna me tad mar thoíomh, like ní anna me Ross at 10K nó Ross
Mhm.
i dhéobh mar háid a chomór se na tad like. So yeah, just chunig me nora hí grúpa hí animar benora hí si dhéana agus just fan agus a good crack like was that tosan se ag um like allú ar maidin like hat er ní sam a chéad grúpa goach like láéis se 16 nu dagen agus it sin tá like tá couple wave on and then richen gatan er sin like, I think a crochan gatan a hart an cahar sin dé lá digs Saintach le pinte bug agus yeah be go dat yeah.
Bé Hugh I fannach le blachaní de chigan ag Jared Cos le
James.
ahan buchail car mai.
James, go my who
Hey,
James.
cótha mór again. Rí
James.
James Rí.
Oh my God. Beisha, I mean, Bayma, look, James was the game of Chevion, Bayma Chimple, must my that. Bayma, ik shasm shinlish the gels, agus la.
Yeah.
See, I mean, my scratch on the knock reg, 10K, jet open so,
No way. Ní credum who.
so shin road to jet open so Russia Jantic James. Nish,
No way. Ní credum who.
bring my 10K. Never mind, like Jake or.
Oh. So ní I do híal mar gona fásta.
No, God, no.
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 Vi sé porta go rang PE.
Beep test to be on. No, I'll tell you to be on. It was the Moweher Ishul and 10K, like Kardaseki. Agus the couple of the lads on Skal. I think third should. Oh yeah, Jenny mentioned 10K. Nish Sean Ibe though. Nero so Mr. Kekoada is V 10K. So Glocksha fairly Tamil
Cé go fada.
Was it an ur? Was it Nismona? It was like couple of it was like ur Cleopatra? I have no idea. No clue. But it was the leta was much just called agus much casa go homlan scrista agus visha ni ro mai. Like it was a real visha mar strahalt. I'm nearly sure Gurkreet Nemo her rhythm shit. Like no
As each shoe.
yeah, so Visha really ní ro mai dá mo lanche.
Siúm gur ceartid cean eile just I don't know, don plot. Like sé granar.
Tá pí chraike an dó like in fairness.
Yeah.
So tá ring me se Hellenback agus Hugh I'd love Williams Hellenback.
God, bheadh sé cuiinú.
Tá cá carm sa mína Jen na Hallenbacks agus no my God no ní like fe gom agus like we hin boys like I know go we hin boys faoi an leis an méid tal Janu an sin agad
Tá mis gon an darkness into light anu ach tá mai chun é rí Sean céidir dú P house an count sin anu ag a cethir a plógar margin but me just go é rí agus sin sort tús mai leis an riéis 2 kilometer níos arág.
Mas really go to rate them and dasní tú ní smoile like be a handling like Jenny they're nice cute like Sheila your margin whatever
mis fó sem mo
and then tag check you like quick a margin because this is just brutal with some board well Jack
zero jahol or son carnachta just like no vi mis fan labi gets bug pressure
yeah exactly yeah no just the Gary just lash go levenis false but so the round that was Gentle River James but surely haar well actually Bedger mas what they go to sleep in the cool
it's cool bar if you me go ra so to show eigsúl dit ve gen méid cardio well
No, Rima held him back on there. Rima was so home was a team maker by accident to head him back. It
To
wasn't
back
his
to
You
fault.
back
went
in
you,
hell.
you
Yeah.
went to back in
Yeah,
Yeah.
actually, we escaped hell and then we went back
I
in.
went back to yeah.
Agus sin hí na organisers ringe sé rudcins méart so hí chead a céad inting as bhí ag a finish line as bhí ag rá bhil chead mu go 12K hín seo agus sin dúirt siad bhí sib sa wave sin anheacha airsways me go ringe siad rudcins méart so dúirt siad well si an finish line so you can either do it again no si ná go bháile like one or the other so then was fuck it ní mu an got all the way sios go chun kilhaán
Mhm.
Ungarú agus rá nach neáid ag friggin cheadké go Hellenbach. So then ringing with the réiste. So there chéach was at 16K. So
So la marathon.
no,
Okay.
the la marathon 21
Oh God, okay.
21.2.
Oh my God. Cén tú a dhéanaí tú sin?
1 foot after another, honey.
Oh my God.
Agus creid am on it, like Jen hí sa é. The Mac dinner be le
Although I definitely got that in the but
like
just
Daniela
go on
Hugh
all
no ma
ball.
héine ní great no an roster.
Thank you for saying agus me hen and Anya.
Yeah, obviously, ní má to read.
Remember really explain you because gonna be like they're Hugh Gary like during like
Ní ága Hugh an lína
do like Hugh 10 kids to the HUD, you know, your last will and test with the screw man there's so there's other nyan you know. Yeah,
This is
Maybe-
how it ends.
Bé sé dionine go sin bé friggin Hugh probably iste rodí an na G na
Bhí me go ra bé microphone in a lá ige tu sé súslatar Hugh an Rossa like so James Jimmy an Rossa gold fu láthair
Ach bé má like her skateboard na road because ní bhénig siúil ní bhénig
electric scooter.
Yeah. Hey, J. James is.
No, be sé skateboard agus ropa agus mis bhééis a harint.
Oh yeah, there no, yeah, of course, yeah. What do you call it? So yeah, no, ní bheith ein imní arm food. Ach and they shaw and road go to are you now like you mean like better than in shaw better sure níl an nach marathon ach yeah left marathon so that they go on kin wein yanu no pair yanu like an yenha and marathon edition is Sean and soft launch is Shah her involution.
Well, like, look, ní mis cos a daine sin like no friggin runfluencer sin léine se like that's definitely not going to be me.
Vit a whole grammar that wrote to our influencer though.
Just fan den Ross of a heart agus sí an winner tosa yeah sure Jenny May feckes Jenny May marathon ish.
Oh yeah,
What's another 21.5 kilometers?
Between friends.
Yeah.
I definitely go marathon in like Omegan in Mohil. Just for the fact ma hí an tála dé of Sean dús spot bheit posta agus má hín grandchildren am wach ma leis an rá na bhí mis
James 1 out of 3 ain't bad. You know.
I think which one would be the one chin because I don't go my Sean either.
Pashti. Listen.
Definitely Pashti.
Yeah, Pashti, yeah. Not Pasta, not Sean. Pashti Aiken, Atchinjart. You know. A little hairy baby at Aiken.
Yeah. So like was that a little hairy baby that could have been either of us at Hugh that
exactly, yeah,
bother.
true, yeah, you know.
Yeah.
No, yeah, so just bought my none of our rock rim marathon just for the sake of you know, it wasn't the really thing to just get a raw grit into that. Like
And then be Iron Man genta go nation.
No, Iron Man's a bit mental, but I don't know.
Yeah.
See, if you want to I don't know.
I just like one of it's in the tradition like getting bad go carnachting or I think been was really mad like ní go boom abseiling in the she's Steve Anfield either back room on like get a while birthcase the
abseil no one asked for
yeah so we an couple point while Jim gon falliste so these we check was that Rihanna omkina tough from Rihanna it was that Jim Momo so we Alsher sin fado so it's just car nach in gar like so it's kind of just nice to be able to raise beta couple €1 up chin so it's just kind of a nice incentive like it's fresh like was that because those Amster definitely near what get Thompson in your skydive what my couple €1 Thompson ring man abseiling agus tá show in the niche agus chola úr beo on the day bí ma gúni rá Morach a freaking carnach to my age agad hope I would never do this because an abseiling was close fi my raw.
Yeah.
I don't actually know when I go na that. Agus sin in skydive. Chama go bin long am skydive fi my keen to go bin an law dead come heel. Fi my actually raw this is it.
Yeah.
This is gone. This is I've lived a good one, but Tama fucked. Like
Oh, God.
been playing chobug vi sa cratha agus nu ma see an edition this one like raw. Well,
It's been real.
I am going out where I've lived my whole life.
With
Yeah.
a literal
Right
bang.
in the middle,
Well, a
right bang in the center of
yeah.
life. Yeah.
With a gdump.
Yeah.
Is cuiimhin lom tú a déanú sin, mar sin suirt ag an tús de dúnachna chu a chéile.
Mm.
Agus síl an beidir an é sin an chéadú a dún búla le chéile, well, obviously bhfuil muid le chéile blintó hin, but
Yeah.
thug tú bar seachla a dú, mé eile gur
Yeah.
thug mé agad don
Mm.
Oh,
carna.
yeah.
So bhí bar seachla ag James da andan.
Yeah.
As chuir mé message ag rá, hey, ní bhfuir mé mo bar seachla go fáil. Next thing bhí sé te muid the organmh má arsan le bar
Yeah,
seachla a
exactly.
dú.
That's
So,
right. Yeah, it's cool
yeah.
he's not in the keys.
Yeah, bhí
Yeah.
mé lá na carach. Yeah,
Damn.
yeah.
Agus
Well,
ar
throwback.
targanis.
Arcanis.
Go fádig
Yeah.
when you go James
What?
West like Jenny Ruddy or something. Carlos.
Neil Rudderby áirithe.
Yeah. No, yeah. No, we should go on like yeah, again though. Just because that's when on rookie bug hinna like was that Dini on Sheen to Burger King so it's like check his ass, but if
So
not
cén dóid go digla daoine sin tú sa thuirt má tá si de géirí.
tomorrow I'm a bio on Instagram, so just go to Shaka Chin. Agus grammar enough this goalkeeper goes wandering Tamted and fundraiser. So that made the smoothest my idea of a Richard. So
Very
yeah,
good.
it's good.
Very good.
Yeah.
Look,
to
James,
know.
is this an cool blare is firelam? It's a gimmert or something.
Yeah, we were gonna wrong because definitely main cool board short that because that is a gaffle of bows, okay? So that's KB then it does a cool chin that doing wrong.
Casper Charatska. Oh, Casper. Listen, Aran is Granwer in the League of Ireland. You know, though you mean the chance.
Yeah.
That's in
Go
Orange.
on.
You know,
Do
in Orange.
renditioning.
You know, in Orange, and it's magic. You know, like Queen. Oh, it's magic.
Yeah.
You know, and Kenny Bowes is he's Polish. You know, Casper Charatska's in goals. He's Polish. Just absolutely incredible. Like, you know. Agus ní bheith aon imní orm sin ra. So bron arm. But áhaid sin tusa an gúlbara is fearlumm sa GA beidir ceir much.
No, yeah, because
No, because yeah.
McFadden that give us good doing up.
Oh my god, so dochracha. Jesus Christ. Oh. Fisha. And you know what actually to Oran grammar fee McFadden. You know. Oh my god. Genie Mac. Sin crack lads in.
Dé hasí nó tála má.
Listen, the fun pasta. That's mad.
Yeah.
That's mad, isn't it?
That's
I know,
mad.
tá sé cógaris. Ní look. Oh my god, Cara mí hiúil? Yeah.
Jesus.
Mohím just gur etil sin, mar hí mé just chuinean blian drna hí mé, tá blian agam.
Yeah.
It's like, oh wait, like níl amar bí agan, tá sé né techt go tapi sin. But a rís buis a dé go me co-type A mar tá anra dagra gom like me man for, me year for.
Well, see, Jared to go to go agree. I can hear to catch arm playing against James Leonard good speeches screw go fall, you know, and Oraj or at time against James can the
Look, Mike Osculta Falter Road Amar B
Shin Dantra. Shin run on Dantra the
bring it on. Tá mé gurí ar bheith cos le stand up.
Oh my god, stand.
Yeah, higla roasty and must mean that.
Dantra.
On PG.
They
Chiantish Mahorian.
The fatal at the roasty agus and
I know.
Yeah.
Well, look, dear me, or get the bug shimsiach you know, tá mé fantar an taimhú sin gan any shift out sa jazz. Dúine lig den shomer lig tá mé fanach der sin, so as hug, you know, tan spec o give rip away trousers.
Oh yeah.
Nipple tassels, like bring it on. Tá mé fanach der sin.
Cur should have given you to James Cambridge and Lord Lish and Fire Queen the fireworks and Cambridge feck I may should An mé or
Just creeping an ihe leis an óstan ar chinní.
agus genuine pony ag seint ar the speaker. Jump on it. Let's do it.
But sure, that doesn't mar R&T, come on, hug me an roll seo that
yeah.
Colús go dosín sorts, I suppose, and get the it's an engineer. Bé mu géirí go leor ceol, go leor órán, go leor dása, go leor ein dó trees agus sílam goil tú hain forfa fáine sin ag leat a bheith ag léach ar roioine teachta níos. Agus mas dáin é, mas rap é, mas órán é, cibé rud go mín lo dhéanamh.
Tá James already screwed then. That's go made that.
Ceann faoi brisicrí. But I really like asáit ag banis. But I really like míúnach fa chunne banis.
No, I think
Pan grab maru. Ní creid amount.
Hey, Shipshit are raw, ní mise agus just I'm just there to clarify it. You know. Agus bé mu a teis ag banis agus Cilíonn agus mu a lu a cúrsaí san léhantaí go gluise ar chorat.
Do I hear a cull scaru?
Do I hear
up in here?
Ain't a called scar as a shari
Give me a C, give me an O. You know?
See, it's because you name bridesmaids are Father James. Shouldn't I?
Yeah, Neil tan a bridesmaids like in Gaelbrach the fad termaha just off limits, so Neil ain potentials. Like about to show the James.
No.
Yeah, ní mai ceart mis ceir ich séimrach like ní se dom friggin persona seo ag chuan ó rom go absolute friggin húr mother I think is like
húr count
Tumis gur ná I gáid an cos fógan lipse lá cíns risin le gatís ní a tá lumsa go chasma lob a gís ó nó go chasma lob a friggin iná má le clé agus siú dé just ní chasmis le in a fós that was it.
Actually chasma le imó farste brother.
Yeah,
come on James and Lord and Jenny German and Lord or fad
and you would magu James
you would magu no but sorry you're going to go to agree and you to so etch am she bally am she collie am she will and rud more blind I'm assuming go blind and will pack good
well the gear an Excel sheet Nuair dúirt me go mai type A tá like Biblia omlan agam agus category éagsúla so tá like an you know an list the íana tá jobaní tá le genu tá fiú plán cóisiir na mob cé nach chun mis fiú plán á cóisiir na mob tá na chalíní
agus go fáilte is
just le bheith like tá stádas ó go minach le animcha a handanna like pending nó bhfuil si de teacht nó man bhfuil si de teacht just caiim a bheagartha oras an dóile go Cilíonn go líonú níl jobháinna Cilíonn agus is sin a cholí héáil níl sin genta go bhfuil tá áhanra dála genta gom Tá bhúna mó mí anar is dóm.
He has to turn up, so tá gá job ag really.
Yeah.
Tá post mai le agus caiisi I do. So long as in Aaron sin ar an le
Blacham leat.
Blacham
leis gur sin an Gaelic a dhearan daoine ar I do. Blacham leat. What níos de.
Yeah, tá rudán tá seaarmas leán agus an sagart na folklore fád ag sin just repeat on this.
Yeah.
Nisha goes to America is a big fucking idea.
No, as if like when I done the vows, the first time I met you.
Oh, this whole cringe. This is the whole grammar faster. This is just like, you know, David, I never would have dreamed going to Russia.
You though sna horadi. Níos ní slán. Bei sé short and sweet, like I can't be dealing.
Oh, by the Kinson. Ní bhé McKinson. Be Kinson jazz brad.
Be like batch more the lahni.
Oh yeah. A4s.
Just Bart more. Like well I hand in a comper that?
Yeah.
Be siv an shot tamil.
I'd fairlum Irata Sawan a yanu. Just lots of Anya. And
sé.
I think aonanta James le seo. Bhil go na féisní sinne nuair it's like an fear chéile ag eiceáil a ban chéile sa choí don cheadú, like the
Oh my
condition or whatever.
God,
And
yes.
féidir lumsa is James sinna dhéanú láfásta.
Gus tá Killian a gaiirí, ní bheith
Yeah,
sin na
exactly. Whereas Michigan James will be the hype man. We'll be able to go like, yeah. So I take whichever, like, like it's come between far Kayla. It's really your male best friends. Good guy. I can't do it's all your two spire to be like,
Oh,
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 Bé
cheann
bhar
sé go
teogamm sé
well.
cuoinú.
yeah,
No, rud bhí ínta amsa dhéanana ná. Was that a chuí like was that be aine like tapon and she goal in Killian is costing Killian people expecting
yeah,
she thinking she
First
aine
look.
like
yeah,
agus oh first look whatever.
yeah,
Ach like we take Anya out agus being a colour erms agus a Hugh as in like we wear dresses.
yeah.
Agus sin be like build up sure look on and then we tap on Killian it's costing Killian team plus be like emotional I
Hmm.
cap go be Anya as Japanese and then just fucking raw lunatic raw on the bond agus yeah so yeah
Agus Chichenchang ra agus Gudgeon much Killian and
yeah
James
Runaway.
Feckham, yeah.
Sib sin a
yeah
runaway brides, but tugann
yeah
se bheith sin
exactly
live.
Jenna much eloping. Shouldn't know the
Yeah,
name.
well, hiag live ar múni ban se héin, I'm siú níos sibh chu muchan ar tá se ro specialta.
the trouble that no one has ever asked for.
No one wants to see.
No.
Sin Jim go an freigur don ce seo ach an nnéantha eloping. Tás go den de tásin na mana líanais go bhfuil go bhétá sin íanú in sa
So-
Heartbreak Social Club.
Inis goil an planál tosithe gom.
Mhm.
Yes.
Jenna
Inis goil sé genta agus tá sé teach an lámóras mé rá. Jeez, it's a lán daoine garcurt fuhaine lá omlan. As tá stress as anxiety buint lei sin agus yeah, just glóir ibre, glóir iirecht, glóir good. And tá cuid dom rá like an fiú an shite show. Like it is, it's party agus yeah, be all mean tá goin, but tá gitabug tá teobug lom goil rá like an fiú an fós seo. So yes, ach é sin ráte bhéin fós a gurí daoine foioi le hand, so
Yeah.
elope to an extent ach le grúpa dur hin fós le grúpa de hartar fi den or something.
So you've described a banish bug basically. Is it?
Anish anga. No, tá mó anish bug, tá cé ag techt.
Mhm.
As
Yeah.
tá sin beag, cos lor me
Yeah.
le daoine as had bín écéid chuige acu.
Oh yeah.
easily.
So
So
car fáin tú choirí banish nu céim fá mu
yeah,
Well,
for mis
Mr.
curúig banisneirí ná neim aige, bhí min é bú leis an fearr uhána a híal as ní me bhríú leis an ban. Was a kittíim go metha gurí mise an sinnar dó lá speisiúta.
Yeah.
Cos mis go besta ní me arcart an siomra as gan den ag an ahand.
Yeah.
Fis bheith gom céta an sin an lálig. As nach gad an bheith go susatíní rá like hi jazz búlú le. Er má lá ar an lá
Yeah.
smó cean na leanta smó am híal. So yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bei sé daso, be páirsiú good.
And
Yeah.
then hi James and Yana the Vegas wedding.
Well, definitely not Vegas. Jesus Christ.
Not
Yeah.
Vegas, but South
I know,
France.
definitely like just so that she's a kid on ban here, isn't it? Really, like, because I'm just an accessory of the day, isn't it?
No, I thought
Really?
tattúir mí ag bhfuil branseir céit a dú leis, to be honest. Má tá tinna jazz go. Tá
No,
glóir
like,
tuair
was
mí
that, like-
Cillian.
Was that being the whole ban came out a law post agus really
No.
Japan go ní smú special the hopes on Japan should it generally like that er should go into das theater tá a malib is all this crack whereas tá mu go collie wearing it as in like being coloring ag banchochi
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
yeah ach like definitely bo am chláán die one ach tá was she gar go haar air ní ochchan 5% nu that was she gar it can really tradition to an airing with ní ochchan 5% nach nerd like I think just obviously what to kun as a plan up but if get an idea what like sin what mu tole
Well, sinna rud tanní
Time like was that say as ken áis as ban a bhach me le is sé áis a banish sin tradition kin atá an so was that
yeah.
sé ní special option sin pe kin á de ge a bheith kin an kirin outléir a lá a mar hin meall was that ní bhéh mis post mó hépal was that
Áúil, yeah, it's
Yeah,
sépal
so-
saicíise. But tá glóir dí
that-
nachhfuil a postú sépal ní smó, Tá mis se actually fáil, like, sílam ghfuil sé cert nachhfuil sé like, cotínta ní smó bheith postú sépal. Ní dhearm le daoine ghfuil méid that are like, oh, really? Cén fá?
Yeah.
As méním then cén fá, like, go muinn sé le, like, gur Catholic go Machláán agus go bhfuil aithna gom ar an parish priest mo híle lig, so dúsa is rud pobl go maiid go sta a sé pe láú, das me sin níos cas ceol sían go ar afranan, so Mohin go mínar mé víú de goine,
It's Don Graham and he lets to rag was
Yeah.
It's really not Don Graham. It's honest nach mín Machláán an oidlum.
But chomada sin though, it doesn't hurt go mean Shapel usually aesthetically brand new guitars should they?
Yeah.
Neil mis a really sweeter sin, maar ní mis fiú fall blahan than Shapel. Like I'm not.
Oh my god.
Am I just on low key fwy? Níl sé
She's having a Protestant wedding.
Oh my god. You're like clúding na fanyogi.
Show job the higlib go mapio go blahanid margin sin see the crash shape.
Michigan's James just na Nyantagis
Lustrum just
wow a clúdi in boils is the machine like for much ready to change.
We're no much in job a gyart.
Knock near what do sass the lynch.
Oh my god, vi swinning to sin be cartíh sé cean an léhirachtaí anús I rihin afran. Le chéile.
Focal rockle. Here in the Jen. Aged
I'm with job again, Dave.
Listen, and test the mission. You need more than a score microphone, not score camera. So, Look, well, so mission chart le Moella Uncle Ben's or Ainos. Mission is listen Reish,
Oh, confetti.
Yeah. Yeah, listen, it's not Reish in mission or Sally throw it like if I wrote Uncle Ben's mission like curry sauce.
Just not to run Reish and microwave lat and stuff sticky co-culture.
When Rudavis on though, now was a layoff would be like basically Hugh what's in the layoff. Ach, voor mis chastity here Hugh, ag small lava amach it's in his expressionisms like should he.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Performance.
I think I'm Saga's really happy that mains Hugh says that.
Yeah, I don't know now, lads. Better just go cartíh se teacht don Junior.
Better actually just on dice actually.
Just an afters.
Yeah. Look, Party Squad is piece of antáachta don Banish. Bhí mission more chuid an luction in there ag Banish. Hurtar cash I'm just a chatting afters agus bhí se it was lit le bheith cealda
a hoot and a half.
A hoot and a half. Agus a class few hoots and a half. Sheeman Gerbe shin. Hey, well ein rodella caiimiid fly. Ein hard launch sell James with the kitchen apple. The kitchen apple ban rundog at Gorwile doing finish.
Nope.
Such a rune nach will
Vec is going.
It's such a rune that will even fizz amsify.
Yeah. They talking because it'll be James, Veo, like the biggest smiler and Doniga, like Veo, like cracking gal, Veo, it would just be something like, oh, like, carrots, well, ain't no different in shop, we let her. It's just, oh, and you're also cigar ain't road, no, grow spin different logo.
Yeah.
No, James Barth. Yeah. But, no, I'm trying to think again. We've been saying Lahai Kive diagram on pod and this case.
So patronizing. Joitu dynne eigen.
Na be ein imni art. Joitu dynne eigen and shocked in ye Kate a carach acht agran da and pod. But be grand. Na be clean, be grand.
You know go bin banat 3 bliana worth of agran John.
Sweet Jesus. Look, sorry, just ain't the we have we have a rose in it, more former eater and bod.
Gorgeous Liani Werku, Rose Winachan in Liana.
Absolutely. Listen, better go Maji Rash to because
Nerwunchi.
Of course, absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh, James, listen, I wrote this more escort. I reached him Liana. We could have had a full Chancellery takeover. Don Rosa Trilogy.
I already got that offer once and I didn't take it, so I'm not gonna hang on it east.
Mary from Dunlow, hey, listen, yeah. Result as Sinead Shansley, but the image Amsterdam host the Shansley or Instagram, agus Shansley or YouTube, with the Gary Anya Amsterdam hosted anywhere or Instagram, agus anywhere or TikTok, with the Gary James Amsterdam hosted, mar Flahartach or Instagram, agus Flahartach or TikTok, agus with the Gary Mahane Amsterdam hosted, or Hugh Carr here or Instagram, agus just gra Hugh Carr or TikTok. Sinead, that's listen, Sinead, Brihar J. Buchas dia go gí a másc na Sorry, tá Gary clachtú dhéanú na tam mar sagart ar
Oh,
bana
yeah,
sí
yeah,
le
yeah.
sé
Yeah, go mai, yeah, yeah, yeah.
There you the gentle Come on, James. Low harmony.
Díochan libh,
It's not
Salas dubh,
Oh,
Beannach libh, Postí ile dé.
okay. Can gur quick seo solar
Oh,
before
what
we
a tune though.
solar woman knows like Banny Hill. Right, guys, live. But he's something church out to get it slide.
Well,
Plan!
Colin Cripper and Rochandish. So I have no idea. You get
Right, come and go some one fun.